Today I decided to have an at-home do-it-yourself spa day. So first thing on the agenda was a nice long bath by candlelight. I included some scented citrus Epsom salts and just a relaxing time in the bathtub with no worries and no place to go. Since this is a DIY spa day at home during quarantine, I'm using just the things that I have around the house so I don't have to go out. So I have a foot scraper that I'll use in a little bit on my heels. I found some Aquaphor and it's really good for extra dry skin, so I'm going to put it really thick on my heels and on my feet. Wrap my feet in plastic wrap that I already have. Then I have these spa socks that I had received at another spa day that we went to with some friends. They were at one time aloe infused, but I've used them and washed them enough that I'm sure they're not anymore, but they will do good for what I want it for today. I have tried to do my nails several different ways by myself and finally gave up and have just taken all of the products off. I have decided to just use this time to leave my nails alone and give them some time to recuperate and get healthy. I have found this O'Keeffe's Working Hands hand cream. I'm going to put it on my hands, and I didn't have any spa gloves, but I snagged these cotton work gloves from my husband's workbench. So once I put this on my hands, I'll put these on. As I was taking my bath, I went ahead and did my face with this Generating Daily Cleanser, and it's Equate brand from Walmart. And so I went ahead and just used it on my face. Then in a basket that I had that a friend had given me a while back, I had one of these collagen hydrogel gold masks. So I'm going to put it on and see what it feels like. I've never done one, so I'll be anxious to see what it's like. What spa day isn't complete with something sparkling to drink? So I have sparkling ice and peach nectarine. I have a cute little fluted glass here with some ice in it to drink. And then I made cupcakes yesterday, and it looked pretty special enough for a special spa day snack. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this scrubber on my heels and on the ball of my feet. Now I'm not going to have you watch all of that as I do it. Come back when I start putting the Aquaphor cream on it and the plastic wrap. If you see a weird looking light on the side, there is one. It's my vitamin D light. I decided that while I'm sitting here doing this, it would be a good time to get some extra vitamin D. Time for some sparkling drink. Enjoy. Okay, so I went ahead and I've put my Aquaphor on my feet. And if you've never used Aquaphor before, it's just like a real thick Vaseline. And so it's clear and you can't really see it. It's real greasy like a Vaseline, but that's what makes it so good on your feet. Also already have my saran wrap underneath there, and so what I will do is I will just wrap it then around my foot like that and put on the sock that goes on this foot, and then I will do my next foot, and then my feet will be done. Before I do my mask or my hands, I decided it was time to have some of my delicious spa day cupcake. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Lemon. I love lemon. Do you see the little lemon specks in there? I think I'll finish this now before I go any farther. My bathroom getting ready to put on my mask. Excuse my hair, it's been washed but it's not been done. And of course, to put on a mask you don't want to have anything on your face, so there's no makeup or anything. All I have done is washed it with the scrub that I showed you earlier. So I've not ever used one of these, so I'm just going to cut it open. Let's see what it looks like. Gently unfold mask and place on your eyes. Adjust the eyes, or place on your face. Adjust the eyes, nose, and mouth opening. Okay. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it is very thin. not sure it's supposed to be in 2 pieces here. But this one came off in 2 pieces. I guess that'll make it easier for me to put on. Ooh, it is. It's very thin and flimsy. So it's got a lot of stuff on it. It's down around my nose. Oh yeah, it's nice and kind of cold too, but that feels good. Yeah, I don't know that it's, this one's kind of tearing. I don't know that it's supposed to be tearing like this. Well, I know it's not supposed to be tearing like this. Maybe I did it wrong. I don't know when I opened it. But that's okay. You can still use it. I'm just going to piece it together. That's what that is. DIY. I'm DIYing my mask here. So I'm going to put my mouth. You know, covering up my mouth here won't hurt me any from talking. I'll still be able to talk. So there it is. Now I'm going to go do my hands and lay out on the bed for a little bit. I have my gold mask on. I have my gloves on with my O'Keefe lotion underneath it. I have my feet all in my socks wrapped in the saran wrap. I've had my cupcake and some of my sparkling ice drink. So I'm just fixing to lay back on my pillow and take a rest in this DIY spa day. So I have taken off my gloves and my socks. Everything's nice and moisturized and feels really good. I will say that this says to leave it on for about 20 minutes. I kind of dozed off, so it was been on for about 35. It feels a lot tighter than it was, so I'll say that it's dried out a little bit, so that just means that my face absorbed all the stuff that was in it. So I'm going to fix and take it off. It's still a bit flimsy. It's not near as slick though, so that means that a lot of the good stuff went into my face. Oh yeah, I can feel a difference in it. It doesn't have it's not slick or anything, but it feels really good. It has a good smell to it too, so yeah. I probably am not going to do my hair. I have one class tonight, so I may do my bangs and then hide the rest behind my earphones. I will put on just a little bit of makeup just for that one class. I don't want to do a whole face or anything, but I don't want to also look like I look right now and scare the child. So that's probably all the makeup I'll put on for today. I've been trying to give my skin and my hair a rest from products. So now I'm fixing to go into the living room and sit and watch a movie with my boys. That's how I'm enjoying the rest of this afternoon in quarantine time. So thanks.